Hey guys, Jeff Brown 04 here, and we are back with another Call of Duty Cold War video. In today's video, we will be unlocking and getting the sledgehammer gold. Also, a quick disclaimer: if you probably noticed the watermark already, and that is because I am using a trial version of a editing software. I'm gonna see if I like it. The one I'm using right now is really bad. So if you enjoy this editing and enjoy this content, please like and subscribe and enjoy. That's how it's done.
Oh, but I can't remember now.
I don't need that.
Oh yeah, I remember what I was gonna say. In hindsight, I do not like McDonald's nuggets.
I don't like them
I'm
either.
sure that probably seems really random. It makes sense in my mind.
I don't like McDonald's nuggets either.
I think whenever I was a kid, they were just so much better. Or
I don't
just
like
thought
most.
they were better.
I don't like most fast food nuggets.
I don't know why.
I mean, I used to like them when I was a kid, but I don't like them anymore.
Yeah, I just like McDonald's nuggets as a kid, but. Phew.
Also, my
Now-
sledgehammer is level 10.
Oh my goodness.
Just gotta get to level 30, and I can unlock all the cameras.
How a literal rocket can destroy a sentry turret. Sigma's so weak.
I know. I don't know why they made it so weak.
Like, it's insanely weak. Wow.
I need to collect. Oh, there's another one. Oh, I was about to say, if you kill him, this guy over here was trying to kill him, but like I had already been far enough into my execution. Yeah, that is weird. I should clip it. Clip it!
Core,
No!
what just happened?
Clip it, clip it.
Clip it! Clip it! This is my friend.
I'm so excited for the summer though, because I can't wait to.
Oh my goodness.
I can't wait to buy like a gaming laptop. They're all throwing grenades, and they're all using sledgehammers.
It's like the guy's face was so dumb too.
How was that not a kill? I RPG'd at his toes. RPG only.
Honestly, I think I would like the knife better. I was just using the sledgehammer because I thought it was pretty cool and I wanted to try out my theory. But honestly, I feel like I'd like the knife better. I just have this kills. No, I'm about to do a whole nother game.
That game was so toxic.
9 more? I only got 2 that game.
Only 9 more times, Davis.
I just got shot in the smoke.
I got shot as well, not in the game.
Ashton doing bad this match.
Totem on bow now too. We need to try out the strat.
Yeah. You eat
Are
strap.
people just... Stun grenade.
That's 3. That's 4.
What?
There you are with your skin back there. It's so awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, that was my first sale.
Your, your first Activision sale.
Yeah.
You get 20% of the profits.
Yeah, if it wasn't for me, you wouldn't have bought it. I convinced you all the way.
Mm-hmm.
Was that it? Please say that was it. Please say yes! Oh my goodness, thank you. Shoo! That was annoying.
Oh, I hate the people in the camping!
It's the moment of truth. We're gonna see, if you get gold camos for DLC weapons, does it count for diamond camo? Now, I could have easily just looked this up, but I decided not to. I decided to embrace it. Embrace it for myself and for the content.
What do you
pull
mean,
us out of
does
the
it
lobby.
count for diamond camo?
So Modern Warfare. One second, let me check real quick. Come on, please. I don't. Please.
Oh, it's probably the same.
Oh,
thing
it
as
does!
DLCs.
Woohoo! That is so helpful.
what-
That's so nice. Okay, that's awesome.